Okay, so we are going to look at just a very simple decision structure, an if-else structure. And let me run this program here. This program is just a console application, and it asks the user, are you happy, yes or no? Okay, so if I press yes, enter yes, I get a yellow smiley face. Okay, and then let's run it one more time and we'll see if I enter no, I get a blue frown. So again, very simple, straightforward program. We'll get a lot more sophisticated than this, but I just want to kind of show you the structure and the syntax. Syntax is important of the if-else, or this decision statement here. Okay, so the top two lines, obviously, I'm just asking the user a question, just using the text window.write. I know we don't do a lot of console console applications in this class, but text window.write, text window.read, that's used for user, the user interface, the output and input. The important part is here. Once the user enters the Y or the N, that goes into this answer variable that I've created. So now we're diving into the decision. If answer is equal to yes, and this is string data or character data, single character, we'll treat it as string data. So we have to have quotes around that. It wouldn't work if I had no quotes around the Y. That would be a problem. Okay, see, I can't even run that. All right, so anyway, if answer is equal to Y for yes, then it reads like plain English, right? If they say yes, then we're going to make the foreground yellow and then print the smiley face. Okay, or else we're going to show them the blue frown. Very importantly, the end if, kind of like this is, I like the word sandwich to describe these structures. So this I would call a double-decker sandwich or a two-layer sandwich. You have the if clause, okay, if they say yes, and then you have the else clause if they say no. It's a very cut and dry, black and white situation. Either they're happy or they're not. We're either going to show them the yellow smiley or the blue frown. But this is the bottom piece of bread in the sandwich. And don't forget that. And, I forget it a lot when I'm teaching because I teach other languages that don't use that end if. They don't have that bottom part. And, it's just part of the syntax. You have to have it. So be careful there. I will typically, like when I'm doing an if statement, what I'll do is I'll start it, and then I'll right away, before I do anything else, I'll put my end if, just because I know I'm going to forget it if I don't put it in right away. So then you can, do all your other stuff here. Now the indentation, it does not matter in Small Basic, but it is conventional to indent your structures like this. It just makes it easier to read. So, there wouldn't be a problem per se with running the program if you had it all like this. But that just looks amateurish, I guess. It just is not professional. It just looks so much cleaner and easier to follow. That's another part of programming, is just making your code legible and easy to follow. Okay, so there you have it. That's your simple if statement, and we'll fancy it up a little bit in the next video.